Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? So in this video we will see how we can install Virtualbox in Windows 11. It's pretty easy without wasting time, so let's start our video. Open your browser and go to google.com. Search for VMware, not VMware, search for Virtualbox, download, press enter. You will be able to see the first URL with Virtualbox org, which is the main URL of Virtualbox. Click on it. This is the main page of Virtualbox. You can read the documentation of Virtualbox in all the detail, but we just want to install the Virtualbox platform. So you can have multiple Virtualbox to download as we want to install this in Windows. So we have to select the Windows host. Click on Windows host. I have already downloaded before, but let's download it again and click OK. The download will take some time, so just give it a couple of minutes because my internet speed is a little fast. That's why it's taking less time, but it's also just 105 MB file. Once the download has been completed, open download folder. And you can see the downloaded Virtualbox exe file. Just double click on it. Click yes. Click next. You can manually specify the locations of the Virtualbox to be installed, but we will leave it in its default location. We press next. This is just a warning. It's like maybe you get disconnected for a couple of seconds if you're installing remotely, but I tested a couple of times. It has no disconnection, so you can just try it and press yes here. Click yes again, and finally click install. Wait for a while that installation to be completed. And there you go, you have installed Virtualbox in Windows 11. Just click finish. And this is the Virtualbox application, so you can do anything if you want to do. So this was the installation windows of Virtualbox in Windows 11. Hope this video helped you. In case you have any issue, write down in the comment section and I will reply. And have a good day or good night. See you guys again in next video.